Here I've got OPPO Reno 2, and let me show you how to use all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And as you can see, now we are in diagnostic mode, where you can check both events and pings and status. Just click on the more icon to open advanced view, and as you can see now you can come along with far more advanced details. Then let's go to the second code, very useful one. It's *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And this one will provide you with the whole calendar info, so all events, all celebrations and important dates that are included in your Google Calendar can be found in one place. So this is all for this one. Let's go back, and now let's enter another code, which is *pound, *pound. Okay, so just one *pound, 6776 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with the detailed software version of your device, so model, Android version and all the others. You can smoothly enter this 4 digits long code and then come along with the software information. And let me go back. Now we will open the last code. It's also the shortest code, but most useful one. It's *pound or £6. And as you can see now, you've been provided with both IMEI numbers assigned to your OPPO Reno 2, the unique numbers that describes your phone. Click on OK to go back, and that would be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in OPPO Reno 2. Enjoy them and use them as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.